If allowed by your institution, you can annotate and grade student files directly within the browser. Let's take a look. On the grade assignment page, you can view and annotate Word, PowerPoint, and PDF file types in the browser. Select Preview File in the Files menu. At the top of the panel, select the Drawing Annotation Mode icon to draw on the document. Select the Point Annotation Mode icon to type comments in any place on the document. To highlight text, point and drag your cursor and then select Highlight Text. To add a comment to the highlighted text, select Add Comment. You can also zoom in and out and navigate to other pages in a student's file using the controls at the bottom. When you are finished annotating the assignment, assign a grade and provide feedback at the top of the panel. Select the More Options icon to post the grade. Students will not see any annotations you made until you post the grade. And finally, after you post the grade, the system generates a PDF file with your annotations. You can return to the assignment and download the original student file or a PDF with your annotations.